Today we are looking at the NOCO Genius10 Charger. It's Genius because it's a smart charger, and it's 10 because it's a 10 amp DC charger. So in the packaging you'll find some goodies, advertisements for other NOCO products like the Genius2 and Genius5. You'll find the charger itself and the cables needed. Plugs into standard 120 volt outlet. You'll have a strap with some mounting holes that you can mount to a wall or that sort of a thing for somewhat permanent installation. And then you got a little tiny owner's manual and the leads to actually clamp onto the battery. And the setup's pretty simple. You'll just uncap the leads both from the charger side and from the lead side, and then plug the connectors in, and then you're all set up and ready to charge. So we're going to do this on a 2004 GMC Yukon. This actually was featured in a previous video. If you've seen it, we accidentally, due to the pandemic, let the car completely die. We were able to jump start it with a NOCO jump starter, and now we're using this Genius10 to give it a charge to make sure that it's fully charged and topped off and hopefully healed from our bad mistake. So first things first, hook up the leads, red to red, black to black, and then go ahead and plug it in. And you'll notice it always starts in standby mode, which is the yellow or orange power symbol. So you have to push the button and then select the appropriate mode. In this case, it is just a standard 12 volt boring battery. And you'll start to see the charging indicator lamps flash. At this point, it's just flashing 25%. Come back and check in a little bit. Okay, now we're flashing that it's charging to 50%. And then now again to 75%. And then charging between 75% and 100%. And last but not least, when you get the flashing green, that means it's just trickle charging and topping it off or maintaining the battery. So when it's fully charged, you'll get a solid green. So now that I've got a solid green, I just want to take you through the other modes. So you push the mode button to cycle through the top three 12 volt modes. And if you want to go into the bottom menu, you'll have to hold down the button, and then you can get your two 6 volt modes, your supply mode, and your repair mode. So that would be how you would cycle through if you needed one of the other modes. Now here's a quick size comparison side by side, the Genius2 and the Genius10. Genius2 is significantly smaller, and being smaller, it's going to fit under your hood a lot easier. So here's another comparison with the owner's manuals. For the Genius2, for a 40 amp hour battery, it's going to take you 15 hours to charge it fully, whereas with the Genius10, that time drops to 3 hours. So the main benefit is a faster charging time. Now this clip here is just to demonstrate what the battery charger does when the battery is very dead. It tends to pulse to a higher voltage and then back and forth to try and bring the battery up. This particular battery that this is shown on only has 4 volts because it's really dead. Now probably one of the neatest features of this NOCO 10 is that it can also be a 12 volt supply. So it can supply 12 volts at up to 10 amps. So what I'm going to demonstrate here is this is a monitor that we're going to use as a rear seat monitor for a stereo system. And I've got the leads hooked up to the monitor leads, and I'm going to put it in 12 volt supply. And what this allows me to do is to test the monitor before I have to hardwire it into my vehicle, and I can make sure everything works. So sure enough, power's on, so pretty neat little feature. So some parting thoughts. The Genius2 is a great little charger, and I have a full video on that, which I will link in the description. It's small, but it doesn't charge very fast. On the other hand, the Genius10 charges 5 times as fast, but it's bulky, and it's kind of hard to get in certain places. But it has other neat features like supply mode, etc., and some things and repair mode, which the Genius2 does not. Another neat feature of the Genius10 that I forgot to mention earlier in the video is you can use the supply mode to maintain a vehicle while you're changing the battery so you don't lose the information. So in summary, the Genius10 is a great charger along with its little brother, the Genius2. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.